hata sielewi. What's up guys, how are you doing? This is your boy Humphrey Jones, and Humphrey Jones is coming live from Bungoma town. So this is how Bungoma town looks like on a day night. I'm along here Keringet, if someone knows Keringet. So these are the minimal activities in town today, being on a Thursday. In there is total. So most people have been displaced, and but with the matatu drivers they are very much okay, and with the taxi drivers, those cars that we're seeing there, they also have not been displaced, those ones. So this is how Bungoma looks like today, without any demolition going on so far. But in Kandoi there is also a current ongoing demolition. So please, if you're watching from my end, this is Humphrey. Please subscribe, like my video, and enjoy until the end. Subscribe, please, like, comment, drop your comment, your sweet comment, and I'll really appreciate about it.
Huh?